You can use all the moisturizers in the world, but if your skin still looks dull, tired, or flat, chances are your serum step is where things are missing. Serums are usually the products doing the heavy lifting. And the tricky part is that glowing skin means different things to different people. Some people want that super dewy Korean skincare glow, some want brighter skin, and some just want to stop looking exhausted all the time. So today we're counting down 5 of the best serums for glowing skin. From viral K-beauty favorites to luxury hydration serums, and one product that's basically a staple in modern skincare routines. What's going on, guys? My name is Caitlin from Epic Deals. Let's get into it. Starting off the list is the Mixsoon Soybean Milk Serum. And this is probably the calmest, most understated product here. This isn't the serum that gives you instant disco ball glow overnight. Instead, it's about slowly making your skin more healthier, smoother, and nourished over time. And the fermented soybean ingredients help give your skin that softer, healthier appearance instead of just surface level shine. This feels very clean girl skincare routine. The kind of serum someone uses constantly every morning because it layers beautifully under makeup and doesn't overwhelm the skin, especially if you hate sticky skincare. Now, the reason this lands at number 5 is because the glow effect is more subtle compared to the others on the list. So if you want dramatic brightness or instant radiance, this might feel slightly too gentle. Coming in at number 4 is the Roche-Posay Pure Vitamin C Serum. Now, if your version of glowing skin means brighter, healthier looking skin instead of just dewy skin, this is where La Roche-Posay gets interesting. The Pure Vitamin C formula helps target dullness, uneven tone, post-acne marks, tired looking skin, and fine lines. And that balance matters because some vitamin C serums can feel irritating fast, especially on sensitive skin. Now, this definitely feels more skincare coded, and for people in their late 20s, 30s, or anyone starting to focus more on brightness and early anti-aging, this makes a lot of sense. The downside is that vitamin C can still be a little unpredictable depending on your skin sensitivity. Some people absolutely love it, others need to introduce it slowly. So this isn't necessarily the most beginner-friendly serum here, but for brighter, healthier looking skin over time, it absolutely deserves a spot on this list. Coming in at number 3 is the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Deep Hydration Serum. Now, if your skin constantly feels dehydrated, tight, tired, or just generally exhausted, this serum immediately makes sense. The Summer Fridays Jet Lag Serum is basically hydration in aesthetic form. Everything about this product feels calming and comforting. The texture is silky, lightweight, and designed to deeply hydrate without making your face feel greasy or heavy afterwards. And honestly, this feels like serum for people whose skin gets stressed easily, especially from travel, air conditioning, weather changes, over exfoliating, lack of sleep, and long work days, which realistically is most people at this point. Now, the glow this gives is less oily shine and more healthy, hydrated skin, like your skin actually got rest. And one thing Summer Fridays does really well is making skincare feel luxurious without becoming overly complicated. This is very much expensive self-care energy. The downside though is price, because while it feels beautiful on the skin, it definitely sits in the premium category. At number 2, we have the Anua Peach 70 Niacinamide Serum. Now, this is where we enter full Korean glass skin territory. The Anua Peach 70 Serum exploded online for a reason. This serum is all about that soft soft, dewy, ultra smooth glow that makes your skin look hydrated even before makeup. And honestly, it photographs beautifully on the skin. The combination of niacinamide, peach extract, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin B12 gives this serum a really fresh, juicy feel without becoming heavy or sticky. And the finish is gorgeous. Your skin just looks healthier. This is the type of serum where people start saying, wait, what are you using lately? Especially after consistent use. Now, what makes this product stand out is how wearable the glow feels. Some glow serums can make your face look oily halfway through the day. This gives more of that clean, fresh Korean skincare radiance instead. And for people chasing the whole glass skin, dewy makeup prep, hydrated glow, this absolutely delivers. The reason it doesn't take number one though is because the glow is more hydration focused than universally transformative. And finally, at number one is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Dew Drops. At this point, this product is basically famous. You've probably seen it on TikTok, in clean girl makeup videos, under makeup routines, mixed into foundations, and sitting on influencer vanities everywhere. And honestly, the hype makes sense because this product gives almost immediate glow. Not greasy glow, not sweaty glow, actual healthy, radiant skin. The niacinamide helps brighten over time, while the hydrating formula gives your skin this juicy, reflective finish that genuinely looks good both with and without makeup. And what makes this stand out from a lot of glow serums is versatility. People use this as a skincare, as a makeup primer, mixed with foundation, as a highlighter, or on no makeup days. And it somehow works in all of those situations. This is probably the most instant, gratifying product on the list. You put it on and immediately understand why people keep repurchasing it. Now, the downside is that if you dislike dewy finishes, this may feel too glowy for you. And for oily skin types in humid weather, it can occasionally border on shiny if over applied. But for radiant, healthy looking skin that gives that your skin but better effect, this serum absolutely deserves the number one spot. So which serum should you actually buy? If you want calm, nourished, and healthy looking skin, the Mixsoon Soybean Milk Serum is a really elegant option. If your focus is brightness and improving dull skin long term, La Roche-Posay's Vitamin C Serum is incredibly solid. If your skin constantly feels dehydrated and stressed, the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Serum is amazing for restoring that healthy glow. If you want true Korean glass skin energy, the Anua Peach 70 Serum absolutely lives up to the hype. And if you want the most versatile instant glowy serum on the list, the Glow Recipe Dew Drops still take the crown. Links to all of them are down below if you want to check pricing or reviews. Just so you know, these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. These links help support the channel so we can continue bringing you free content like this. Make sure to hit like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And let me know in the comments what you would like me to recommend next. I'm Caitlin from Epic Deals, and I'll see you in the next one.